Hello beautiful ladies, so Valentine's Day is just around the door and I'm creating a Valentine's Day party look in this video with this black top and just a smoky eye with wet and wild palette and a dark red lipsticks. Valentine's Day is incomplete with red, red. I love it. So if you don't subscribe my channel, so please get subscribed and press the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload a new one. So let's get started. I have already moisturized my skin. For primer I am using this Colorbar primer. For foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. So I'm just gonna put it on my back of hand. It's a pretty good foundation, and its coverage is medium, and it gives you a matte finish. Now moving for the eyebrow. So for eyebrow I'm using this angular brush and the Wet n Wild palette. From this palette I'm going to use this shade Transition. It's a darker transition shade, and I will fill my brow. I always use this for filling my brow instead of an eyebrow kit, and it does the same thing. So for concealer I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. My under eye, my eyelid, and of course to define my eyebrow as well. This is a fabulous concealer, guys, a really good concealer. It blends into the skin very beautifully. I'm also using this concealer here and here and here. Using a flat brush, I just tap it on my skin so that it blends very easily, and using a beauty blender I tap it on my skin. So moving into the eyes, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. This is called Rolls in the Air. So I take a transition shade, the lighter transition shade, this one, and I am using this on my crease line using a blending brush. It's a very lighter shade. You see that this is very lighter, you see. And now I'm using this transition shade. I'm using this light purple shade on my eyelid and messily blend it into the eyelid. Now using a flat brush, I'm using the dark purple shade on my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead with this color with my finger. Yeah, it's much better, I think. I take this light purple shade for my lower lash line, the same purple shade, with a teeny brush. And this glittery shade from this palette in the inner corner of my eyes. Now moving for the Kajal, I'm using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. This is a fabulous Kajal. In one stroke you will get a dark Kajal. So it's completed. Now for a liner, I'm using the Lakme lipstick. This one, Enrich Matte Lipstick. And using an angular brush, and just go through the upper lash line. Yeah, like this. Now it's time for the mascara, and I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. So my eyes are done. For contour, I'm using the Nicka Complexion Duo. These two shades I'm using for my contouring. It will gives me a dimension into my face. For highlighter, I'm using this lighter shade from the Wet n Wild palette. Now it's time for fixing the full makeup, and now it's time for lipstick. And for lipstick I'm using the Sugar So this is my look for Valentine's Day party. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.